Nabzee TV show. So today we'll be going to a very special place. Guess where? Where is the place? I know you'll be wondering where is Nabzee going today. Trust me, I'll be taking you to a truck center. Oh my god, you wonder where is truck center?
Welcome to Truck Center. So we're going to try swallow. Would you want to try with me? Follow me. Fried rice.
Yeah, Mamala. Yeah, from the
Okay. So we're going to. Okay.
How much is a plate of amala? How much is a plate of amala?
2
Without protein is 2 5.
Yes. So I'm going to try amala. Would you want to try with me? Let's try from this.
Oh my God.
So people come here to listen to live music. And here's an ice cream.
You really needed what?
Oh, check that. It's red.
So red almond kitchen. You see.
Okay. This is a suya truck. Oh, everything is made with suya here. Yes, suya truck. Sorry, dear. Sorry. Excuse me. If you want to get some drink traps, you can. Game to be played here, and you can sit in any part of this place. Oh my god, I was really feeling this place. And look at this space. Barbie space is so beautiful. I love the color. I love being a Barbie girl. You can pose, ladies. Oh yeah. So here I have to take nice picture, one picture and another picture. Oh god, look at this picture. Next, my babe is up to pick up my food. Here I go. I went to the truck to pick up my food, and now it's to unveil. Let's see what we got. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste this food. Here we go. What's the name of the soup? Oh, this is called obeata and obewedu. And here is my amala. I miss you, amala. So I'm going to try. I need a spoon.
Let me test. Actually, the amala looks so fluffy. Yeah, I can't use my hand to eat. I have to use this. I'm sorry. Wow. A fluffy one. You see? Don't miss out. If you are not here, honestly, you're missing. You better hurry up and come to Truck Center, a blessed place where you can find all kind of